Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix hair in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. Now click on Tools at the bottom menu and select the double exposure option and click here to add the photo. For now, I'll choose this one. Resize the photo just like this. Increase the opacity of double exposure photo and click here to save changes. Now click here and select the view edits option. Click on double exposure and choose this option. Now what you have to do is click on invert to invert the photo and now brush over the part that you want in your photo. And if you make any mistakes, you can increase the double exposure and brush over the image again. Remove it from here as well, a bit of that. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can fix hair in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.